Namaste, crypto aficionados and my fellow capitalists. Great to have you here. And today I'm going to do something different. I'm finding the coins that are under 5 cents and that I think that are really going to do well and that I think they can hit $1, right? And so I'm going to do different coins over the next couple of days. And if you're following me, you probably know what the coins are already. But I thought, yeah, why not? I find the coins that are really cheap now because now we are in the phase of the market that I think that we are in the bottoming phase of the market, and I'm expecting it to turn around in August, right? September, late July or August, it should start turning around the bend and start going up already because I expect a bumper December to come, and I may be wrong, right? Because guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and please do your own due diligence. And investing in cryptocurrencies is risky, right? And anything, it can go to zero also, I don't know, right? So we don't know. And but I do these videos because I want a voice, and I believe in the coins. At the same time, they are my opinions, but I do them as entertainment as well, right? So just take whatever I say with a pinch of salt and do your own research. It's very important to go behind, to put in the work and to read up and to understand what a project is all about and can it make you money or not, right? Right. So today, guys, I'm going to talk about the coin that I really, really like. My favorite one of my favorite cryptocurrencies to do really well, that I think will hit $1 by end of the year, December 2021, and that is Refinance, right? And Refinance, as you know, it's a gateway to DeFi through liquidity and protocol aggregation, and they have their own proprietary analytics and multi-chain accessibility. So what it does, right, is to pull liquidity from centralized exchanges, which are isolated and prone to hacks, as well as decentralized exchanges. Sometimes they have little liquidity, and that gives a large slippage, right? So it pulls these two from the centralized exchange and the decentralized exchange. On top of that, it does smart lending, the dApps. So it's a chain on its own. And on top of that, you can do smart lending, borrowing, staking, mining, and it has an AI-driven personalized yield farming aggregator as well. So Reef, as you know, is non-custodial and decentralized network that is governed by the Reef token holders. And it's cool because it's one of the most advanced. It's more advanced than Ethereum, and it has on-chain governance and low transaction costs. So Reef DeFi is teaming up, has made a lot of partnerships, which I like the most, and a lot of projects, dApps, and exchanges are included in the partnership. And you can see it here, right? And I'll leave a link to this this Medium article. But I want to talk about what he has done over the last couple of months and what partnerships that they have built, which I think is very exciting for Reef, right? So the ones that I like, right, it's with Parsec, right? So Parsec, and what it does, Reef integrates Parsec monitoring technology into Reef chain, and that will enable some strong use case scenarios seen from the existing integrated blockchain. Okay, and Reef is looking to utilize Parsec monitoring for both DeFi applications and analytics in their own system. So both of them is a two-way thing. Parsec will benefit from Reef chain, right? And Reef will benefit from Parsec. And the thing that Reef will benefit from Parsec is that it can pick up data, right? It can stream blockchain data to user-facing front ends. It can track events like swapping, lending, and staking, which what it does. That's what Reef does, right? It's a gateway to DeFi. It pulls liquidity. It allows you to build dApps. At the same time, you can track events like swapping, lending, staking, monitor transaction across wallets, right? Track abnormal blockchain activity to identify arbitrage opportunities. So it's great. And this is one thing that I'm really excited about. They have teamed up with Aavegotchi, right? Aavegotchi, is a DeFi-centric, non-fungible token powered by Aave protocol and can be valued under collaterals of A tokens, thus making Avagochi a highly rare premium NFT, right? And Reef users will be able to interact with Avagochis by simply staking the Reef tokens in Reef Yield Engine basket. So they have a uh, um, they have a partnership with Avagochi, things like Avagochi, which are using Aave. It has partnerships with DEFI, right? It's even so um, it's so good that they even care about the developers, and they also started a developer support program to provide unparalleled guidance and mentorship to those teams and entrepreneurs currently building on Polkadot network and EVM compatible blockchains, right? They also have Reef Starter, right? An IDO platform for Reef Chain. So Reef Starter will support cross-chain token pools and auction for other substrate projects. So you can launch on Reef Starter. So projects that are building this, they can launch on Reef Starter, right? They can use it to raise capital in a completely decentralized and interoperable environment seamlessly, right? The other partnerships that I like that they are making is with OpenDAO. Okay, and its Reef is going to be a USDO collateral, so Reef will be used as a collateral, guys, you know. And the Reef has been approved as a collateral that could be used for USDO minting on the Binance Smart Chain. Reef will be soon pooling funds from Avalanche, Cosmos, Binance Smart Chain, and Polkadot, right? So this is what I mean. Reef, that's the power of Reef, right? Because of his bridges, it can pull liquidity from all these blockchains. Avalanche, guys, Cosmos is huge. You know, if it's Avalanche, if it's Cosmos, it can hit Tor. It can hit the Tor chain. It can pull liquidity from Tor Swap. Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, guys. I think it's amazing. So just let us read a bit about this. The Omni Comp Minter agreement will be deployed. The Omni Comp Minter agreement will be deployed on a Reef chain in collaboration with OCP, permitting traders to mint USDO on the Reef, with the possibility of other native tokens from different ecosystems being used as a collateral. Additionally, besides Reef becoming USDO collateral, Reef Finance is also transforming it into an official liquidity partner for mining. For the liquidity providers for USDO, it is now permissible to bet their LP to gain OCP and then stake OCP to earn Reef, right? So this is big to me. On top of that, they've got another partnership with NF Nifty, right? NFT Niftify, right? NFTFi. Okay. In an important collaboration, Reef Finance integrated NFTFi on its blockchain ecosystem, Reef Chain. This will pave for the way for NFT stores on NFTFi to create the store on a blockchain ecosystem of Reef. So NFTFi can create NFT stores. You want to sell your artwork, you want to sell your NFTs. There could be tickets, there could be whatever, basically, right? Your in-game NFTs, collectibles. You can open stores on Reef, right? And it's amazing because this coming together will open up a new world of possibilities, as DeFi services can now be accessed by potential customers in both a centralized and decentralized manner. Guys, this is amazing, right? It's fucking amazing. Okay, and it's an opportunity of having an additional store on Reef ecosystem. This means users now have the convenience of access to platforms, and the best part is the cost effectiveness of this process. As fees charged, okay, listen to this, as fees charged by Reef is ultra competitive, clients need not break their banks to find and utilize the space on Reef because it's low cost, guys. Okay. In addition, this union will also make sure that the diversity of the services that can be accessed by the users is going to be larger than before. What's more, users can now utilize the Reef grant. There's a Reef grant and recover part of the fees they incur during the transactions on the ecosystem. So they can recover part of the fees they incurred during their transaction on the Reef ecosystem. Wow, you know. So I think it's amazing. You can read all this. I don't have to read everything and all that, but I just want to show you that what Reef have done. They have not been just quiet and not doing anything behind the scenes. There's a lot of things going on. They are already launched on the Canary mainnet. The public, sorry, the public mainnet will be coming in a few weeks' time, right? And by July, or I think by August, they should be ready for the public mainnet, right? So they are working hard. They are doing their stuff, and it's amazing right now. If you see the price, it's only what, 1.3 cents, guys. It's a joke, right? It's a joke, and it's something that's going to be on the Binance Smart Chain, the Polygon ecosystem, the Polkadot ecosystem. Hey guys, I mean, it's like, it's cheap, man. Yeah, it's cheap. And yeah, the market cap is only 174 million, right? 174 million is nothing. It's very, very low. So 1.3 cents, I really think that, okay, the all-time high was 5 cents, right? But telling me that this is going to be used on cross-chain, and it's going to be used to pull liquidity, and it's going to be used to build, even Lendify is building on Reef. Lendify, right? ISPO link, where's that article just now? That one that had all the things. Look at this, right? If it's not big enough, let me just make it bigger. Lendify, ISPO link, right? Pink Note, another of my favorite, Pink Note. Okay, DEFI, Fala Network, Kava, Elron, right? Kylie Network, right? Parsec, Relight, Open, guys, Elk Finance, and there is only the DeFi part, and then the security part. You have Shield Finance, right? And the exchanges, the different exchanges that it is working with, Binance, Uniswap, right? Look at that. The investors, look at the investors behind this, right? NFTs, gaming. So I want you to think carefully about it. Of course, don't listen to me what I say. I'm a crypto head, right? I'm a crypto aficionado. But I'm a capitalist at the same time. And if I see a good project, if I think I can make money, I like making money, right? So that's my reason why I'm here, and why I'm here to help you out and help myself as well. So that's what I do. I just want to research projects and see which one will make me rich, right? So that's what I'm here for, and that's what you are here for as well. So yeah, I think this is all I want to say. Just take a good look at it, and it's 1.3 cents. I think it can do $1. It can be, if you're saying it's like, oh, it's 100x, can it do 100x? Why not? These kind of things, when DeFi really see, DeFi is not full blown now, right? Banks are not into it. All the institutions are not coming in. Institutions are coming into Bitcoin, Ethereum, these kind of things, Chainlink. These are kind of things that they're coming in. But once they come on DeFi, I tell you, it's huge, right? It's huge. So yeah, so think about it, and let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know what other projects that I should be looking at. This is the first of the series of coins that are 5 cents and under, which I think can do very well. And yeah, I hope to see you soon, and namaste.